Hey signers, this is for all the animal lovers out there. Some live in our homes as our beloved pets, while others may still be our pets but live in the barn in our backyard. In this video, we're going to learn over 25 animal signs related to life at home or on the farm. So let's get your hands ready and learn how to sign animal signs in the home. Before we begin, let's talk about iconic signs. What is an iconic sign? Well, it's a sign that represents what you're talking about, what it looks like, the description of it. So for example, if we have the sign fish, fish, what does it look like? It looks like the fish swimming in the water. That's an iconic sign. And so many of the animal signs are iconic signs. Now, let's learn these animal signs. So as you're learning these animal signs, watch out for what they look like. Dog, dog. There are many variations for the sign dog, but this one, D to G with snapping, is the most popular. Dog. Cat, cat. You're showing the cat's whiskers. Cat. Fish, fish. Your hand looks like a fish swimming. Fish. Bird, bird. You're making its beak. Bird. Snake, snake. You have a bent V hand. Think of its fangs and it's slithering. Snake. Lizard has some variations in its sign. The first one is your non-dominant arm and a 1 going across the ground, or an L. The next has to do with its mouth, its tongue, a 1, or spitting out like its tongue. Turtle, turtle. Your non-dominant hand is making the shell. Turtle. Hamster, hamster. It's an H across your nose, like a mouse. Hamster. Mouse, mouse. Your index finger is flicking your nose. Think of a mouse's nose. Mouse. Rat, rat. It's an R hand going across your nose. Think of a rat's nose. Rat. Hedgehog, hedgehog. You have its little body and its quills coming up, or its quills laying down. Hedgehog, hedgehog. Rabbit or bunny, rabbit or bunny. Both are referencing to its floppy ears. Rabbit or bunny, rabbit or bunny. Chicken, chicken. It's just like the sign for bird. Chicken. Horse, horse. You're making its ears flicking. Horse. Cow, cow. You have a Y-shaped hand up to the side of your head, twisting like this. Cow. Bull has variations of a very similar sign. Bull, bull, bull. All of them are representing the bull horns. Goat, goat. Think of its beard and its horns. Goat. Sheep, sheep. Think of shearing the sheep's wool. Sheep. Pig, hog. You have a flat hand underneath your chin coming down. Not to be confused with dirty, because pigs are dirty. Pig. Llama, llama. Your middle finger and ring finger are touching your thumb, bouncing in and out. Llama. Donkey, donkey. Think of donkeys being stubborn. Donkey. Duck, duck. You have your 2 fingers and your thumb coming down together, making the duck's bill. Duck. Frog, frog. Think of a frog going ribbit ribbit, frog. Goose or goose. You have your 2 fingers and your thumb coming up your arm, or a whole beak of the goose. Goose, goose. Squirrel, squirrel. Think of a little squirrel eating its nuts. Squirrel, squirrel. Turkey, turkey. You have a Q shaking from the bottom of your chin. Think of the turkey's gobbler. Turkey. Now let's put these signs into sentences. My nephew has a pet pig. My nephew, pet, pig, have. A rabbit lives in our yard. Our yard, rabbit, live. Do you have a fish? Fish, have you? I had a pet frog when I was growing up. Growing up, pet, frog, me have. Our farm has sheep, turkeys, and cows. Our farm, sheep, turkey, cow have. Great job, signers! Now you've learned signs for many of the animals you might find around the home or on a farm. If you'd like to continue building your ASL vocabulary, be sure to check out our other lessons and sign up for our free 10-day ASL Jumpstart using the link in the description. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.